Elon Musk is the richest man in modern history.
But in 2008, he was dead broke.
Borrowing money from friends just to pay his rent.
How does a man go from $180 million to a millionaire to losing almost everything in just a few months?
Today, we uncover the dark, unfiltered truth of the risks that almost destroyed Elon Musk.
To understand this, we have to go back to his childhood in Pretoria, South Africa.
And that made him a target. The bullying was brutal.
In one horrific incident, a group of boys threw him down a concrete staircase and beat him until he lost consciousness.
And even today, he still carries the physical damage from that day.
But something strange happened. It didn't break him. It built him.
He developed a dangerous level of resilience, and a belief was born inside him. The world is cruel, so you must become stronger than it.
By 17, Elon left South Africa, first to Canada, and then to the United States.
He arrived with almost nothing. While studying at the University of Pennsylvania, he ran a strange experiment on himself.
He wanted to know one thing. Can I survive being poor?
So he lived on just $1 a day for an entire month.
Hot dogs, oranges, the bare minimum to survive. And in that process, he realized something powerful. If I can survive this, I am free.
Because I will never be afraid of being broke again.
That mindset led to his first breakthroughs.
In 1995, he and his brother created Zip2, a small startup that provided online maps for newspapers.
They slept in their office. They showered at the YMCA. They survived on nothing but belief.
Then Zip2 sold for $307 million. Elon Musk became a millionaire at 28.
But he didn't stop. He moved immediately to his next idea, X.com, which later became PayPal.
In 2002, eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion, and Elon walked away with around $180 million.
This is where most stories end. Luxury.
But Elon did the opposite. He made a decision that shocked everyone. He went all in.
$100 million into SpaceX, $70 million into Tesla, and $10 million into Solar City.
Until he had almost nothing left. No safety net, no backup plan, just pure risk. Then came 2008, the darkest year of his life.
Everything started collapsing. SpaceX rockets exploded, again and again.
Tesla was burning cash during a global financial crisis. Investors were disappearing, and Elon was running out of time.
At his lowest point, he was broke again. He had to borrow money just to pay rent.
His companies were days away from collapse, and he faced an impossible decision.
Save SpaceX or save Tesla. One would survive, the other would die. Then came the final launch. September 28, 2008. Falcon 1.
If it failed, everything ended.
The engines ignited. The rocket lifted. Silence. Then, it reached orbit. Success.
That single moment changed everything.
NASA awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract. SpaceX was saved.
And just hours before Christmas, Tesla also received the funding it needed to survive.
From near total collapse, Elon Musk rebuilt everything.
And Tesla reshaped the entire global auto industry.
Today, SpaceX launches more satellites than any country on Earth.
But this story is not about money. It is about risk. It is about obsession.
And it is about what happens when you have nothing left to lose, but still refuse to quit.
Because Elon Musk didn't become a billionaire by playing safe. He became a billionaire because when he was down to his last dollar, he refused to blink.
The real question is not how he built his fortune. The real question is, would you have the courage to risk everything for something you believe in?